the bishop of this one union of pastors. I saw Tony. What is Tony? Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you for coming. Now, first question. Do you believe in a message of reconciliation according to 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17 to 21?
Yes, I do.
Will you implore other people to reconciliation?
Yes, I will do.
Reconciliation, it is the name of Katalabi. We are called to do reconciliation, bringing people back to God. And whatever we are doing, we are going in the same line. Another question. As ambassadors of heaven here on earth, will you rely on the provision, the guidance, and rebuke of heaven alone?
Yes, I will.
Sagala mutandike kanisa nga z'abannabbi b'obulimba. Always your eyes should be on God. We are called to be ambassadors. Another question. Will you feed your brothers? Will you protect them?
Yes, I will.
Without doubt, do you believe God has called you in this office or in this calling?
Yes, I believe.
Will you live for this calling, respect it, obey, and honor this calling upon you in faith in Jesus Christ alone?
Yes, I will.
Will you take part in prayers? Be faithful learners. Meditate and read the Holy Bible, that you can know God more.
Yes, I will.
Will you be the witnesses of the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ with the biblical revelation without compromise?
Yes, I will.
Will you live blameless life, righteous life, that is the life of goodness and role model to other people?
Yes, I will.
Will you defend the church? I mean the whole church. Wait. I am not talking about Katalabi. I'm talking about the church of Christ. Will you speak the right doctrine of the church of our Lord Jesus Christ?
Yes, I will.
Will you encourage the church and reach the unchurched with the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ?
Yes, I will.
Will you shelter the needy, feed the hungry, and all other acts of charity or humanitarian or hospitality that it brings the way to reconciliation?
Yes, I will.
Will you encourage all the saints, help them, pray for them, and encourage them to witness to others?
Yes, I will.
Next. These are the pledges that you're going to make. On another page. First, Jean